Okay, my last video got deleted, so I had to run her back. Okay, which one is mine?
Both of those.
Oh, not both of them.
And then that's the chicken waffle.
Okay, so y'all had to taste some chicken and waffles from KFC. So y'all know, Big Bag got the 3-piece, and with the 3-piece you get 2 waffles. And let me tell you about these waffles. They like sweet and salty. Y'all listen. Bitch. I'm the girl who don't eat waffles. No, it's not the same one. It's still good. Guys, just a little bit. Thank you for the people that get sick of fan cheese. Thank you, man. Okay, so listen. Ain't that good?
No waffle. It's like a biscuit.
It's like a sweet. Icy. It's like a sweet biscuit, but not a biscuit, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's almost like, ooh, let me tell you what it is. Let me tell you what it is. Remember when, what's the name? The McGriddle. It's like a thicker McGriddle.
I need that.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Come here. You gotta come in my camera. And they didn't come to Mrs. Butterworth. They black.
Listen. Come up here.
You have a piece of the chicken too.
Piece with the chicken?
Mm-hmm. Come on. Come on. Okay, tell the people. Tell the people. Bitch.
It's like the Robix waffle.
What's the Robix waffle?
Jamba juice.
Okay.
Same thing.
So,
Bomb.
go to KFC, y'all. Get the chicken and waffle. You won't be disappointed.
Chicken.
Sick. Good. Okay, bye. Y'all ain't finished yet. Let me run this back again. Because the waffle don't necessarily need no damn syrup.
It got the sugar crystals in it.
It got sugar crystals in it and salt.
Bomb as fuck.
So it's like salty and sweet. And KFC, y'all won.
That waffle with some bacon on it?
Y'all won.
In it.
Y'all go to KFC right now. Okay, love y'all, bye. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you I got so greedy. What's that mean when something is a bust down?
A bust down? That's good. When somebody come bust you down, it's good. They don't even need a side.
Yes, I do. Cause I'm finna tell y'all. I'm finna take it to the next level.
What you got for a side?
I'm gonna take it to the next level. My chicken a little too crispy for me.
You know, the waffle tastes like amusement park.
It do.
Let's get a Six Flags.
It's like I'm waiting online for a funnel cake, but they got waffle.
It's get very fun, okay, but let me tell y'all what to eat it with. Look. The coleslaw. The crunchy. It's giving the party that happens in your mouth. Y'all gotta get this whole setup. The funnel cake waffle, the chicken, my chicken a little too crispy for me. What about the chicken in the box? That's hard too. They tried it. But it's good. So go get this. Hold on, bye.